So I found this little baby bird. Oh no, I'm gonna go to the coffee shop and see if they have a box. Hold on. Hey, do you have a box? Like a big box? Like just maybe like a shoe box or a little bit bigger? Or anything in the back? I'm so sorry, it doesn't matter. I don't care what it is. Does it have, can it close? That's perfect. If you can fit a bird in it, I don't care. I'm sorry. You just wait a little bit, okay? It's all right. We're gonna get you help. Oh, that's so great. Thank you so much. There's a little baby bird that fell. He hit the wall and he fell. So I need to put him in here until I can get him to a vet. Okay. I would need air holes, I think. Yeah, but do you have tape so I can tape up those holes right here just in case he needs to, like, he's gonna try to get out? I'm so sorry. That's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put some little napkins and stuff like that in there. I think he just needs like time to rest, right? You just need time to rest. We're just gonna put you right in here. Oh, you are the best. Like, look what he got. It's so sweet. Okay, we're gonna put you in here, and I'm gonna put you over here in the corner until you can just, yep, just go right there.